Okay, to purchase or auto renew data credits from the flows page, you have this menu over on the left-hand side under admin. You have data credits. So you have a couple options. You can turn on automatic renewals and just say how much you want to just automatically purchase, your payment method in there, and when to charge when you're at, say, 500,000 data credits or fewer, or you can decide when you want that automatic renewal to happen. And then make sure you authorize, save changes, and then that will automatically renew. You can also just do one-time purchases. Sorry, it went a little fast. From the purchase data credits button right here, you can enter your quantity, purchase with credit card, or burn HNT to get data credits. Again, one data credit equals 24 byte packet, 0.00001 USD. So minimum purchase of $10 on a credit card. This also will show you how many data credits you have left, how many bytes you have left. You can enter a default payment method here so you don't have to re-enter it every time, and then just your payment history, how many data credits you bought, when it was transferred, when you bought them, those types of things. But that's all available under the admin menu over on the left-hand side of Console 2.0.